guys, welcome to my channel. So I did just film a video just now, but I just wanted to just show you guys, come on camera and show you guys what I recently got. I actually ordered from Cult Beauty. It's my second time ordering from there, and I don't know, the shipping is not bad, even though I would have loved it to be much quicker, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, let's just get started. It comes in a box. It comes in a box like that. Depending on how big your order is, obviously they will give you a bigger box or whatever the case may be. And it has a go on, try it now, we know you want it, you know you want to, written down here. And yeah, I didn't get a lot. What I got was the ordinary beauty products. So yeah, they come in boxes like that, individually boxed like that. I got the lactic acid. I also got the niacinamide and zinc. And then I got the peeling solution, and then I got the hyaluronic acid. So the tea. It hasn't been long since I've been using these products, but the one thing that I can tell you is the peeling solution absolutely works. It really does. The only thing that I don't like about it is that when you do put it on and then you rinse it off, obviously, because you have to rinse it off, and then you apply your lotions, you moisturize and everything, you do get that your skin peels while you're still putting on the the moisturizer on your face. So that's the only thing that I don't like about it. Otherwise it definitely works. It's an amazing product. I've been loving it for the past 2 weeks. I've been using it for the past week. I only use it at night because I think the instructions do say that you use it at night. Sorry, just a second. Yeah, so it says that you use it on a clean face and you have to wait for your skin to dry, and it comes in like a tube just like this. Well, not a tube, but a bottle, and it has a dropper like that, and I just drop it onto my face and I wait for 10 minutes and that's it. At first I was very skeptical, just because, you know, when you see like a red beauty product, you're like, what the hell is going on? But it works. It really does work. I'll just come back and I will do a review on a longer term period, just because, like I said, I have only been using it for a week. And yeah, I'm very excited. I got it off of Cult Beauty, and I think my order came up to it is in pounds, so I think my order came up to 507 rand. And guys, that's not expensive at all. This 507 rand is inclusive of the shipping. Just bear that in mind. I got 4 skincare products for 507 rand, and for good skincare you don't really get that here in South Africa. Like, for example, I use the Neutrogena products, and they're around about the same price if you do convert the pounds into rands, or even less, you guys. I'm not going to do the calculation right now, but anyways, that's what I got and I absolutely love it. The only thing that I'm very skeptical when it comes to ordering overseas is customs. The first time I ordered it was a palette from Morphe, and I didn't pay customs just because it was under 500 rand. This was 507 rand and I didn't have to pay customs, but my order was stuck in customs for the longest time, and like, fingers were crossed. I was like, I can't pay customs again, because I've actually ordered before on Pretty Little Things, and my order was 638 rand, and I had to pay more than half of that on top of the 638 rand towards customs. So I I was very skeptical, but you know, it happened, it got here. I didn't have to pay customs. That's what we love. And then moving on, I also recently picked up this Cantu root rinse from Discam. It has apple cider vinegar. You guys, you need this in your life. Like after you've washed and conditioned your hair like once a week for 3 weeks, there comes a time where you need to properly like cleanse your scalp. And I do have an afro, so you know how afro people, we co-wash and things like that, we don't really use shampoo all the time. So if you use this once a month on your deep conditioning days, it's absolutely amazing and I absolutely love it. And then also on skincare, I picked up the Pond's serum mask. I love these masks. I love these masks. I would live off of them. Like whenever there's a 3 for 2, be sure that I will pick them up, just because they really do what they say they will do. Like they leave your skin feeling so moisturized. You have a glowy skin just after that. So I love it. If you want a review on one of these products, I did film a skincare routine, so please go check it out and you will see a difference on my skin just after I peel it off. I do leave it on for longer than what it says. It says 15 minutes, but I leave it on for like an hour. I literally just sit on my bed and I chill with it. So yeah, I absolutely love it, love it, love it. And then next off, I got this room spray from At Home. It is a
what we do here is go
just a normal room spray. I wanted to get the diffuser, but I found out that, well, at the At Home that I did go to, it was sold out and the guy there told me that it was discontinued, so I was really bummed. And then so then I just settled for this room spray, but it smells amazing. Like it smells amazing. Do you guys remember how amazing those, I don't know if you across the whole like country, but in Durban the Akajo stores used to smell absolutely amazing. So this definitely reminds me of walking in there. It just smells divine. So yeah, anyways, that's it for today. Please try out the Ordinary product. If you are a skeptical person when it comes to like ordering overseas, I really can vouch for Cult Beauty. They ship your order within the next day, and it, depending on how fast our customs are in our country, it comes to you within 2 weeks. It does get stuck there for the longest time, but you guys just go see Cult Beauty out, check it out. It has loads and loads of brands and beauty products. So yeah, I'm also still trying to figure out how this customs thing work, because I've been like, I heard that if you order something less than 500 rand, then you won't pay customs. But I mean, this was 507 rand, so I don't know how they actually work. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, my order was 19.13 pounds. So depending on how the exchange rate is going, it might be more than 500, it might be less, I just don't know. So yeah guys, anyways, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, please like this video, and please comment down below anything. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.